This is a 2017 GMC Acadia with the SLT-2 package. This one has the technology package on it. It's got the 20-inch chrome wheels. Has some Pirelli tires on it with a lot of tread life left. It's kind of a pewter, like champagne looking color. LED tail lights, reverse parking sensors. It's got the roof rails on it. 255/55 R20 tires. Like I said, they're Pirelli Scorpion Strata tires. Great tire. LED daytime running lights, projector beam headlights, and fog lights. Those lights look really good. See the tread. Tons of tread life left. Got LEDs here on the side mirrors. Got the light titanium leather. Got the second row captains. See the third row here. Everybody's got their own air vents up top. This has the dual SKYSCAPE sunroof. There's your Panasonic DVD player. Got your air control vents, 110 volt port, 2 USBs, 12 volt, all the goodies. Here on the side door, you got the BOSE audio. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Power folding side mirrors. Driver memory seat package. There's your brushed aluminum door sill trim plates there. Power driver seat. There's your sunroof there. It's got the automatic headlights. Got your heated steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth. See, haven't gone through service just yet, so we are gonna give it a fresh oil change and do the full inspection, all the good stuff. 50,000 miles. This one does have built-in navigation, backup camera, AM, FM, XM radio, forward collision alert, lane change alert. Got your climate control there, dual zone for the front, and then you have access to the rear. Heated seats, power liftgate, USB, 12 volt ports. Really pretty looking wood grain accent. Alright, and then this is a sliding console. It's got a little button here. You can see the cubby there. Slide it to the back. You have some more storage in here. Pull that tray out. You have a huge deep pocket down there with a 12 volt port. A bunch of space. Slide that back in. Good to go. You do have a locking glove box over there. Up top, you do have auto dimming rearview mirror, built-in ONSTAR, and then this is your garage door opener. This is a remote keyless entry, and it does have built-in remote start. It's a non-smoker, extremely clean car, very well taken care of. There you go.